Welcome to Biva. Today we are flying over Eagle Point Park, located in Dubuque, Iowa. This episode was flown on October 15th of 2022. The body of water shown is the mighty Mississippi River. Directly across the river is Wisconsin. The bridge closest is the Dubuque and Wisconsin Bridge, crossing into Wisconsin from Iowa. Downstream a little ways is Illinois, and the bridge in the center is a railroad bridge, and the bridge in the back is the Julian-Dubuque Bridge, both of which cross into Illinois from Iowa. We are now looking at the Dubuque, Iowa skyline. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a share, or both. If you want to get notifications on new videos, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Be sure to check out our other videos on the channel. Thank you for watching Biva.